काय इश्यू म्हटलेलं कशें परत म्हणटात ते मोडक्याचं लिगलायझेशन हो याचं करता
See, first of all, this government is full of leakages. Leakage, hoite leakage hai. Yesterday, Kalcha Disak, we have shown in the finance department that several scams, Sarkar Kota, it is involved in corruption. You see the leakage with the Goa University. You see the leakage with several government buildings. You see the leakages in sports stadium. You see the leakage, anda je High Court banla, tingai leakage aha High Court tha. And the latest yesterday je Saptkoteshwar temple bandille, tingai leakage. So this government, government hoiti tinga, tenga leakage follow jata. आज जे म्हाका दिसता हे मोडकाचो प्रश्न आमच्या बाब मायकल लोबून हाडलो दिसता म्हाका लिगलायज करपाक. सो दे हॅव टू टेक अ डिसिजन. If it is legalized, it is going to benefit the government in the form of revenue, and the government needs to come with a white paper. Legalize it. If it has to be legalized, it has to be legalized. But illegal जे apart काल आम काढले गॅमलिंगा इश्यू, हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता आमगेले युथाक खबर जाय. मोडक्याचेर कोण जिखले खबर ना म्हाका, तुमकां खबर आहा मोडक्याचेर जिखलो मनीस आनी फॅमिलीज खबर जाय. They need to take some stern action, not just कोण तो रेव्हेन्यू कोणा वयता, कोणा बोर्डसांत वयता ते चेक करपाक.
काल एक ऑनलाईन गेमिंग हेड ऑफिस पातोर्डा
ते सांगेल बरें. ते सरकारान कारवाय करपाक जाय ना. ना म्हूण सांगता तुमी.